Hi, I'm Ruth from Piano Picnic, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Carol of the Bells really quickly, or bells. I've got a bell sound on my keyboard already, starting with a B flat, and you're going to play B flat, A, B flat, G. Now, if you want to make things easy for your fingers, and why wouldn't you, just get a bit of a bounce going. Instead of, you don't have to play it like you'd normally play the piano because we're using a bell sound, right? You have to find a bell sound. And just sort of bounce off of it. It's fine. Makes it easier. Makes it especially easier when you come to add the bit at the top. So you're going, the pinkies and the forefinger are going to do the same thing, but a third above. So we've got B flat and D, A and C, back up there, G, B flat. Now that's hard if you triangulate this with your fingers, but if you're bouncing, it makes it easier. And our left hand's just going G, F, E flat, D. Then we can do a little tricky thing. What are we doing there? It's just basically a G minor scale, but going down. So G, 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 F, E flat, D, back up to C, B flat, G. And then we can do this cool little scale thing. Which is just a D major scale. But when we get to the B, we're playing a B flat and C natural instead of C sharp. It's known as a mixolydian with a flat 6. And we're just holding our D in the left hand. Let's try that again. Give it a practice. So you're not going to get it on your first go. Gosh, that'd be crazy. But you'll get the hang of it. All you need is a bell sound, and it basically plays itself.